We just finished installation of 8 units of solar lights at Igba community. This is the first one, while this is the second one. We supplied and installed these solar street lights. This is the third one. We have a very high lumen solar street lights, which cannot be compared to any other one in the market. Always remember, all our products comes with a 2 years warranty, so you don't have fear when dealing with us at Men on Air Technology. We supplied and install solar street lights. We also install solar floodlights. We can as well install solar energy for your home and offices, so you can always trust us while doing business with us without fear. We always deliver. We always deliver. And all our clients, they can testify to this. We always deliver. Our products are of a very high quality. Yes, our products are of a very high quality, and they are very bright. They have a timer switch, of which when the day is dark, they come up automatically, and when it's done, they also go off automatically. So you can always trust us at Men on Air Technology. We supply the best qualities. All our products are of 2 years warranty, and we always honor our warranty. Thank you for patronizing us. All our clients, we thank you for your patronage, and keep patronizing us. Thank you.